이제 막 잠에서 깨어난 첼리오스는 정신없이 주위를 파악하는데 TV 앞에 CD가 있는 것을 발견합니다.
Chelio, how we doing, baby? How are you feeling? Because I have to guess, maybe you're feeling like shit right about now. No, you can't move too good. Hold on, check this out.
기절에 잠들어 있던 자신에게 이상한 약물을 주사하는데
Poison Chelio in your sleep. Maybe you don't understand what just happened. I just killed you. High-tech, sci-fi, Chinese. You got yourself about an hour max. Tick-tock. This shit has been real. You probably should die twice before you whack dumb kid. You have yourself a nice death.
돈킴의 죽음에 대한 복수로 차이나 바이러스라고 하는 아드레날린을 감소시켜 사람을 죽음에 이르게 하는 약물을 투입당한 체브는 일단 밖으로 뛰쳐나갑니다.
Hey, this is Eve. I'm glad you called, but I'm not here.
Get a cell phone, honey.
그의 심장이 뛰는 속도가 점점 느려지기 시작하고
Hello.
Kayla, my man. Now you listen to me. You put the word out. I'm looking for Ricky Verona. Find him.
체브는 그의 부하 케일로에게 리키를 찾으라 말하고 어느 클럽에 도착합니다.
Where's Verona? It's good. I'm talking. What are we talking about? Don't with me. Okay, man. Nobody's fucking with you, man. Just calm down. Don't tell me to calm down, mother.
Look, I gotta find Ricky Verona.
Why the fuck would I know what Ricky Verona is? Yeah.
Blow your brains to the.
Keep talking. Come on, man. We bust the cap right now. He came here because he has something he would like to discuss. And
Where's Verona?
Okay, that's all right. Because Ricky Verona and myself did not pull the answer.
Oh, I heard it.
Yeah, but that's the way it is.
All right.
All right. Here, dude. What's the matter with you? Yo, Chelios, you good? What?
I think I know what I have to do.
What is it you gotta do?
I'm gonna kick some.
What?
흑인 갱스터들에게 어그로를 끌면서 아드레날린 분비를 촉진시키고 차를 타고 도망가죠.
Get it? Listen, I'm dying. I've been poisoned with some kind of Chinese synthetic shit.
Blurred vision?
Yeah.
The flow of adrenaline's what's keeping you alive. Yourself pumped out.
Taxi! Yo.
Where we go?
Just drive.
Pull over.
각성제를 잔뜩 약탈해온 체브는 그의 보스 칼리토를 만나러 갑니다.
Terry,
Hey, boss. Something else. Something.
there is no antidote. Maybe this makes up for the Don Kim heat, which was perhaps ill-advised.
Ill-advised?
해독제를 얻지 못한 체브는 택시를 강탈하고 리키의 행방을 알아내기 위해 리키의 형을 찾아갑니다.
Who's your f***ing brother?
Who is this? Chelios? Is this?
I guess I got your brother's cell phone. Fucked up that you killed your own brother.
체브는 인공 에피네프린을 찾으러 약국을 찾고
Seems clear.
No, you motherfuckers have ever told me an effort on this fucking
Can't get a shot. Drop your weapon now! Here it is.
Juice me.
All right, come on. Okay. Clear. Get the
에피네프린의 적정량은 5분의 1이지만 정신없던 그는 한 번에 투여해버립니다. 덕분에 흥분한 그는 병원을 나와 무작정 날뛰기 시작하죠.
You get the stuff I told you to get?
Got it.
And you get a steel hard on, don't you?
Let me check. Check.
Yeah, that's the stimulation of your blood vessels. Your urinary sphincter's as tight as a knot right now. You couldn't piss to save your life.
Urinary sphincter, check. Copy, out. Come on in. See you up, Biggie. Yeah.
경찰 오토바이를 탈취한 그는 약에 취해 혼자 타이타닉을 찍죠.
Hey, did you try to call?
It's been home all day.
I was sleeping in.
As we speak, but don't bother getting out of bed. I'll be there in a flash.
체브는 애인 이브에게 곧 찾아가겠다고 말하고 하지만 그녀의 행방을 알아차린 리키는 그녀를 잡으려고 하죠.
So let's go get the...
Oh my god.
I'll turn on the TV today, right?
No,
You changed the clock on my microwave.
I need you to put some clothes on, sweetheart. Can we meet right now? Shit's right up.
Ready? What's the matter?
What's at the back?
Hello?
Sorry, honey.
Nice one.
체브는 이브가 모르게 처리하려 하죠.
Swear to God, Chev. I don't know what you're up to, but it's not working for you. And that's for you.
I kill people. Professional hitman. Freelance for a major West Coast crime syndicate. Congratulations.
Did I win something?
Your life, jackass. You're gonna get out of town. Disappear. Good business for you.
Do you know how ridiculous you sound? If you're gonna break up with me, at least you can tell me the truth.
심장이 다시 맛이 가기 시작한 체브.
Make love to me. Take your clothes off.
No!
Save me, Eve. Save my life.
Stop it! No. No! No! Take me right here. In front of everyone. Come on!
Train!
God damn it, Chef.
Shut up! I'm alive!
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Got Rona.
Where are you?
Don Kim's Shirt Factory. I'm upstairs.
What the?
Honey, I gotta go.
Oh God, what are you looking at?
체브에게 리키의 행방을 알려준 케일러.
Boop, there it is. Fuck.
This is fucked.
Hey, whoa, Savvy, what's up, Doc? Everything all right, man?
You're crazy. Where's Kayla?
Yeah.
Now you tell me why that little toe rag is Verona.
Verona's got nothing to do with this. Don Carlos wants you off the streets.
Carlito.
You've totally lost your shit, dog. You're causing the organization a great deal of embarrassment. What the f...
Come on. No, wait!
Oh, God.
체부가 또 맛이 가게 되자 이브가 기력을 되찾아줍니다.
Oh, that's really what it
You like that?
Stay down!
Oh, you're so big.
Touch. What's the matter?
So you can fall asleep like you always do?
Jesus!
Did you make it over here?
Sure. Why not? What is this stuff?
Synthetic ephedrine. I can't believe your heart's still beating. But you're gonna go into a coma at some point.
Oh, what else?
Do the same.
Listen, I want the antidote.
What are you prepared to give me, asshole?
Well, how about the jewelry I got off that faggot brother of yours, you fuck? Well, I'll be at the downtown Lint in 20 minutes. You know the spot?
Yeah, I know it.
Well, don't be late. Hello, girls. Now, isn't that a fucking picture?
자신의 두목 칼리토가 배신을 한 것이었죠.
Ephedrine, right?
Yeah.
It's been a long fucking day.
He's a Chinese shit.
체부를 지원 사격하기 위해 나타난 동키.
Get me out of here now! Look out! Hey, boss!
Present from Kalo.
Who's the bitch now? No, you fly, motherfucker! Kill you, you little bitch!
Hey, doll. You're the greatest, baby.
We get by.